Hi, uh, today I'll be showing you some sharpeners, some best for the money sharpeners, uh, manual as well as motorized. Uh, this one you will most likely recognize that is the Worksharp Canonian sharpener. Has been out for over 10 years and with quite positive reviews. Uh, this is the best that I could find for the money as a mechanical sharpener. I also have the KME sharpening system. This one, this system, you probably also familiar with this system. I purchased this first, the Canonian second, and this is my last purchase of a sharpener, as this all cover all of my needs now. What's great about this is that it is motorized and it allows you to do quick work. This is the attachment that comes with the basic kit. Yeah, so this is what your blade lays on as you drive through the blade, and there's a belt around that goes around. You can set your degrees here, the angle of your desired angle for sharpening, whichever blade you are sharpening, but the options are basically only convex. Because the belt is significantly shorter, they wear out much faster and they don't do the work as good as well, and don't allow you as many options as this attachment. So this sharpener without this attachment, nothing special. I mean, a good sharpener, but once you get this, it drastically changes your ability to sharpen, the speed of sharpening and efficiency of using up the belts, etc. I have a variety of belts here that I use. Let me just drop all of them out. And this is the, for comparison, this is the size of your smaller belts that go with this. This is the belt, same here. Very high quality belts, by the way. The belts that come originally on the with the Worksharp are very high quality compared to the aftermarket belts. These are the small sizes, and this is the large size, so you see the difference. It's twice as long. These are the belts that I've already been using. Some are original from Worksharp and the others are aftermarket belts. This is how the aftermarket belts tear. If you're interested, this is how they're glued diagonally, and sometimes they will tear. Even the originals, I suspect, but I haven't damaged one yet. So I have a bunch of my wife's kitchen knives that I need to sharpen, which is what we will do now, using this selection of belts, going from the roughest grid, this one, all the way down to the polishing. These are the original belts that I have not used yet for the Canonian sharpener. These are very nice belts, but I got some aftermarket belts that I'm using up quite successfully, and by doing so saving the original belts. So let's go with the sharpest belt, not the sharpest, I mean the highest grid. then you usually have to regulate this to make sure that it is aligned. Yes, it's coming off, rubbing onto this area. So this is what you regulate. I apologize. This just holds the ankle down. That seems okay. So I have some knives here that I gifted to a friend, and this is how they're caring for their knives. So I need to sharpen some of those as well. Let me start with some kitchen cutlery. Next knife. Next one. Need to change to the next grid. Next grid, 180. Okay, now I need to polish this, and luckily this sharpener has a section that you can do a 90-degree. Next grid is basically the polishing one, this one. After this you can go to the leather, which I have this leather. This alone costs 90 bucks, 20 bucks, this belt, but it is worth it. The last one would be leather, the kitchen cutlery. Doesn't need it necessarily, but the wood's nice. Would be nice to have a polished edge. This leather belt is the tightest, so you have to kind of stretch it over. You can immediately see the shine, the polish that the leather belt gives. See that polish? That one is done. Very sharp. And the last one. Oh yeah. Anything left? No. Shaved everything off. And that's it. As I said, I will do comparisons of the Canonian Worksharp, the KME mechanical sharpening system, as well as the Toher, which is spelled TOOHR, number 3, version 3. I will make a comparison video, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for staying with me for this long, and have a good day.